Listen and read.
Pluck and Moxie took the glass jar outside. The other animals were waiting. "Oh, give me a piece," said the fox. "I want my piece," said the rat. Suddenly the jar fell into the ground and it broke. Bluster's voice and the jar were now in 100 little pieces. "Oh no," said Moxie. The animals searched, but they couldn't find any of the pieces. It was too dark and the pieces were too small. "What are we going to do?" asked Pluck. "We will come back in the morning," said Moxie. And all the animals went home without a piece of Bluster's beautiful voice. They were all very tired from looking for the voice, so they went to sleep.